the MDC of Sorankham constituency and also Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Pinyat Singh Siem recently conducted an inspection of parking spaces for commercial vehicles in Rinja, Shillong. The visit was prompted by complaints from drivers regarding severe traffic congestion in the area. The inspection was attended by Rinja village headman Eddie. Eddie War, members of the village council's executive committee, representatives of women and youth organizations, local elders, the second in charge of the Rinja Traffic Police branch, El Perbot, and several commercial vehicle drivers. Following the inspection, the chief executive member of the KJDC announced steps to address the concerns. Drivers from Pokse and Demsinyong were instructed to meet the executive engineer of the PWD Roads Division to explore possibilities of expanding parking spaces in Demsinyong. For vehicles operating along the Nongra-Maulanray route, Pinyat Singh Siem proposed sending official letters to the post office and BSNL authorities requesting the partial removal of boundary walls in Rinja to create additional parking space and ease congestion for commuters. The visit reflects ongoing efforts to improve traffic management and parking infrastructure in congested urban areas under the KHADC's jurisdiction. Addressing the parking challenges faced by commercial vehicles from Umpling, Pinyat Singh Siem suggested relocating their parking area to a site in front of the Rinja dispensary. The current parking area near RR Colony Rinja has reportedly caused inconvenience to residents. He further directed the Dorbashnong Rinja to implement the necessary measures to resolve these issues.
Apa ini pakai kacung ini pi ngkong ini deh siapa di tay po di nomor ba kasurok kamret kiat kayang ngimiyo pabiang mana kalian departemen du kepala penpendek ya kayang kacung ini dikatai kejeng
Kalong kepala kalian kejoki Propinfo Sagarenja Taxi Association wa pinyahap lang mabay hagajo satri namar kenang bangin area kenang bangin yo ban aya ka permission nak mata joki sia mabini yang kali hangdo ngit la kalong kepala pia penbet lang Sagarenja Taxi Association kenang ba la kala biang nu nadong hadong barahaj de ngina banyakren ni traffic branch nang tada isar insadar ni bensim khian nak mata banyo penbet barahaj kenang bangin hap lah hagajo barahaj kini telun lang haju kum kalong ba kenang kemai stand nang tada ka pulu nang dom senyong stand nang tadi kan kanong ra mulun ray stand de kumpling lu kawan lang haju kan kenjin la biang sultan dia mini poi lang haju mo dengan saya bah ya penbet lang sim kan ni bayu meni keren vice president juga association juga renja ru dan ni ba ai buat di penbet lang di daladep dan ayo ka rai ke biang tingin saya penbet lang ini pernah ringkat bagi renja traffic polisi berapa beda nangnya ngin sampai kalau visible lang mata bagi ai ke area itu tingin ini penbet lang ngin sadar inspection lah joint inspection
de sasulit batai fisia anu cakaban dan kamban lek ta ite lek partner sebelum lek nasakran ya SP bah namar kat kumba kalong menta kamdan provision original nala de ngalak keren engineer jongka central division di page hangtai hapo barik S liter lek bi hangtai di executive engineer bari page kali area ngalak keren menta de insa persyang ke ikalak kelenti balak penyerap mah nama dayang ku bawa dayang pun kan ku min road tu ya ka tak pat ya ka blok kan traffic ini katai de sida yo yang nak khamasai mah long baka ka jingtmu hi long ya PCR kan yarap ya nong late nong wan kan yarap ya passenger kan yarap tek passenger show up kan dia dan kali ka kan kata mah